Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and set up your Streamlabs chatbot for your stream. This is the only video you'll ever need to watch. So without any further ado, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and search for Streamlabs. Once you've done that, make sure that you are logged into your account through here. And once you're logged into your account, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on continue. And here is going to be your dashboard. Now, about the chatbot that you wanted to go ahead and install, it's right over here below streaming essentials on the second tab, which is going to be chat box. First is alert box, which I talked about and made a video on it already. You can go ahead and go back and check that if you want to know about it. However, this is where the chatbot comes in. So as you can see, this is exactly where you can go ahead and play around with. Sorry, I was talking about chat box. However, I wanted to tell you about CloudBot, which is the chatbot on your account, right? So all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on activate CloudBot right over here. It's going to be active, and all you need to do is go ahead and set it up through here. So you can simply go ahead and create your bot account if you want to manually, or it's just going to be default Streamlabs. Add Streamlabs, as you can see. So that is that. On the modules, this is where you can go ahead and add commands right over here on commands for people to go ahead and call any commands or anything that the bot wants to do. So for example, as you can see, there's exclamation uptime, which is a default, and the bot is going to say the stream has been live for, and then the time it has been up for. And there are other custom commands that I've added. However, you can just go ahead and add anything you want. It also has timers. Modules is where you can go ahead and turn on, for example, chat alerts. So donation and subscriptions are going to be announced on chat itself as well. You can also go ahead and have shout outs. So for example, recognize fellow streamers with an automatic shout out when they join your chat. You can just turn that on. And on preferences, you can go ahead and play around like this, as you can see. Just like that. You can also have cooldowns. You can also clear cooldowns if you want to. You can also make user lists right over here. So these are just the modules. You can go ahead and turn on, for example, emote combos, emote pyramids, and a bunch of stuff just like that. Timers, I've already told you, it's just pretty self-explanatory. It's just some messages that keeps on popping up after a couple time that you have set there. Quotes, you can also go ahead and add quotes. You can also go ahead and add queues right over here. There's also loyalty points you can go ahead and check of users, just like that. There's also store, where you can go ahead and add anything. So for example, I had added water chug and push-ups, stuff like that. You can also create polls, betting can be done, and even giveaways can be done all through the bot itself. So it's pretty useful. All you need to do is just activate it, and that's it. Nothing else is required to be done. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.